black pant guy. See, he's 70,
That's what we were saying.
he's 70 years old. Tell him this, the guy with the grey hair, the black suit guy, tell him that. We have one. It's too difficult. And that tempo is difficult.
Thank you so much, guys. Guys, it's a time to give a standing applause to Ms. Shaya for entertaining us so well. I'm sure you all guys enjoyed it.
Capture it all, Gautam?
Yes.
We have something for her from all of you guys.
Are you alright? Oh boy, it's gonna hurt. You okay?
ಈ ಮೆಡ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಂಗೀತ ರಸಸಂಚಯ ಮುಗಿಯಿತು. ಅರಿಜೋನಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಘದ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಮೊದಲನೇ ದಿನದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಮುಕ್ತಾಯವಾದವು. ಮೊದಲನೇ ದಿನದ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯಮಯವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಉಳಿಸಿದ SJC ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಮೊದಲನೇ ದಿನವೇ ಹೀಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಎರಡನೇ ದಿನದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಲು ಆತರದಿಂದ ಅಂದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಸಂಜೆ MCR ನನಗೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮನಗಳು. ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡಂ ಗೆಲ್ಗೆ.
Thank you, Vidya. Guys, it is 10:25. You're 5 minutes early. Please go home, rest up, and we have an early day tomorrow. More wonderful celebrations. Tumba dhanyavadagalu. Thank you. Breakfast is going to be at from 7 to 9, just like today. Yakri sumne serial tintira illishtu chanagi idli ella madidare, dayaviಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ and you can enjoy for the lunch.